up, guys? It's Ari and I'm back with another video. Back. And today I have this beautiful wig from MyLuxuryWigs, and this wig is just perfection. Like, curly hair looks so good on me. And I tried these new Arrogante baby hairs that I seen him doing, and I was like, let me just give it another try because I ain't do good on the last try I did, but this time it came out perfect. So if you'd like to see the rest of this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so today we are going to do a glueless wig. So you want to already cut out the excess lace in the back. Definitely, if you don't plan on gluing down the back or anything like that, you want to just go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And it's really thin, and the wig already comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so it's like you ain't gotta do nothing. So because we're doing a glueless install, we have an elastic band, and you want to make sure that you get the thick elastic band because it just makes it fit way more snug, if you get what I'm saying. So what you want to do when measuring the thick elastic band, you want to take it from ear, so about right here to your ear, to the other side. And you want to just make sure that you stretch it just enough to make sure that it's comfortable, because you want it to be a little bit snug. Like, you don't want it to be too loose, because then the wig is just not going to be fully, you know, fully snug is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I might just cut off just a little bit because I want my wig to fit snug. Like, I want it to be completely down because it is glueless. All right, so now what I'm going to do is fit the wig on my head after I already adjust the bands and everything in here. So it does come with the actual adjustable little strap in the back. Like, it holds, but it's not like a firm solid hold, and I like it to be real firm. So that's why I like the elastic band better. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fit the wig on, just so I can go ahead and cut out those flaps before I actually put the wig on and lay the wig. As you can see, this wig is already bomb. Like, as soon as I put it on my head, it's just, this hair is so beautiful. All right, so right now I'm just doing the fitting, just making sure I like it. So all I'm gonna do is just cut off the excess lace, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I actually sew in the elastic band. Tedious part that you kind of want to make sure that you here. So this is the wig, this is the front, this is the back of the wig. So I will sew it right here, going like that, just like an inch above. So let's go ahead and sew. So I would just hold it, and you want to sew through the bands and the part right here. So hopefully my hand isn't too much in the way so you can see what I'm doing. So done with you, 'cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good, and I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind. So your wig should look like this in the inside. So now we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace. I just take some cream concealer from Ruby Kisses and just tint the lace. You can't get me back now, no, you can't get me back. Me right in my eyes, I don't know why I'm surprised. It wasn't the first time, but it will be the last. Tired of speaking my mind. When I say the wig feels really good, I mean really, really good. Like, it's literally on you. Seeing you wanna fix it, I don't even wanna hear that. I need my distance. You never listen. how it's looking now. So now what you want to do is go ahead and take your foam. I like to use the Nairobi foam. And literally, we're going to put the foam all across the hairline like this, just to lay down the hair and lay down where we want to do the baby hairs and everything like that. So this is the first step of the styling process for this wig. It's completely glueless, so we have to make sure that our lace is tacked down, of course.
See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side.
Y'all see how like nicely the lace melts? Like, this wig is so beautiful. Look at that. Like, this wig is so beautiful. So now what we're gonna do is start cutting the baby hairs and just fixing it how we want it to be.
You are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good. And I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson. And I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing.
Okay guys, so the edges are complete and how I like them. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and perfect the part. Guys, so the part where I like it, now we're just gonna take some foam. Just like this. His hair is so beautiful. Literally, like, his hair is so beautiful. This is the final look. His hair is so soft, like, looks so natural. So yeah, the hair is from MyLuxuryWigs, and they already come pre-bleached. pretty much pre-styled. And yeah, already pre-plugged. So literally all you have to do is just install it. And I just showed you guys how to do a quick and easy install on this. It shouldn't take you much time to do this install. Completely glueless. All you need is rubber foam, really, and edge control. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much.